Welcome to our channel where we explore the powerful world of Indian herbs. Today, we are excited to share with you the amazing benefits that these herbs from India can provide. So let's dive right in. First on our list is turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This vibrant yellow spice has been used for centuries in Indian cooking, and studies suggest that it may help fight against chronic diseases such as heart disease and Alzheimer's. Next up we have ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Ashwagandha is known for its ability to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. It may also support brain function and boost fertility. Moving on to tulsi, also known as holy basil. This herb is highly regarded in Indian culture for its medicinal properties. Tulsi is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and immune-boosting effects. It may also help reduce stress and promote healthy skin. Another powerful herb is neem, often referred to as the village pharmacy. Neem is known for its antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It is commonly used in skincare products and may help with acne, eczema and other skin conditions. Lastly, we have moringa, also known as the miracle tree. This nutrient-dense herb is packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It may support healthy digestion, boost energy levels and promote overall vitality. Whether you're looking to improve your health, reduce stress or enhance your skin, these Indian herbs offer a natural and effective solution. So why not explore the power of Indian herbs and unlock their hidden benefits for yourself? Thank you for watching our video on the power of Indian herbs. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this. Stay tuned for our next exploration into the wonderful world of natural remedies.